Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can reset your cPanel password through GoDaddy. So let's get right into it. Now, you're not going to be specifically using GoDaddy for this. You're going to need to access your cPanel through your URL. Just enter your domain /cPanel, or in this case, webmail. I'll show you guys in this tutorial. But yeah, let's get right into it. I'm using this GoDaddy article, by the way, because I don't have a site, nor do I have any interest or money in hosting a site, just for fun. So yeah, you can reset it if you know it, or if you don't know it. If you know it, you're not going to need anything else than that password. However, if you don't know and you forgot your password for cPanel, you're going to need your GoDaddy account password. And if you know it, it's very easy. You just go to the URL where this is your domain name of your website, then /webmail, and then log into your cPanel webmail account. In the top left, click on your email, go into password and security, and then click enter a new password, and then confirm the password again. Click save, and that's pretty much it. Now, if you forgot it, you just need to go to your GoDaddy product page. Then under web hosting, you need to go into your cPanel account and click on manage. Then in the account dashboard, you need to select cPanel admin, then go to the home page, and in the email section, select email accounts. Then next to the email account you want to use, click manage, and then under security, enter a new password, and then select update email settings. And you might need to scroll down to see it, but after you do that, that is pretty much all you need to do, and that's the entire process behind it. Very simple. Both processes are very simple. This one is a bit more complicated, however, really not that much. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.